So good afternoon, everyone. Thanks, you host. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Highs Placements and Highs Digital Academy. So we are here for the demo class of PHP plus Android conducted by Highs Placements and Highs Digital Academy. So guys, this is the training and placement program. It is for 3 months and we are charging only 300 rupees for this 3 months. For this 3 months or whatever we are charging 300 rupees, we are giving training program plus job assistance as well as intern certification. So this all these benefits come under this 300 rupees program itself. So in this 3 months, we'll train you on IT domains like data science, which is based on Python, PHP plus Android, AngularJS and Node.js, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Java, testing, which is both automation and Selenium, WordPress plus digital marketing, spoken English plus MS Office and MX Excel, interview skills and communication skills. So all these are the IT domains which we are providing training on in this 3 months. The classes are going to start from October 1st. So guys, please try to attend and avail the benefits of this program. So these sessions are for 2 hours. They are like 1.5 hours will be going for technical skills and the other half an hour is for interview and communication skills. So these online sessions, these are all online sessions and these sessions are given by the trainers who have almost 10 plus years of experience in the market, IT industry. So these are the best trainers as of now. So guys, don't miss this opportunity to avail the benefits from these trainers. In the sessions, we have both a morning and evening batch. So morning batch, we have the timings from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., any 2 hours. And in the evening batch, we have it from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., any 2 hours. So as I already told you, in this session, we give training plus job assistance and internship certification. So these are all comes under 300 rupees for 3 months training program. And as Highs is tagged with top 150 plus MNC companies, so after the certification, you will be given the job assistance for all interviews. Are companies have almost the salary of package around 3 to 12 lakhs per annum. So I request you all to share these details with your friends and your network so that we can have more number of registrations as well as students who can just get their opportunity, get their advantage from this program and have their career built on this basics. So guys, I request to be on mute. Also write it down, write down your queries or doubts, whichever you're getting. Like you can ask the trainer at the end of the session so that even the trainer don't get distracted between the session. If you have any doubts, you can drop out in the chat box so that trainer can answer you. Thank you so much, guys. I request Rakesh sir to take up the session now.
Yeah, thank you, Yogeshwari.
You're welcome, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi guys. This is Rakesh presenting from Highs Placement. So I'm the trainer who had nearly 9 years of experience in mobile application development. So I'm the trainer for PHP and Android, where you will learn from the basic to the high level. So this course could be help to you to get the industrial knowledge where you can gain the job easily in this right now the competition. Okay, as Yogeshwari introduced you about all the introduction related to the Highs placement. So if you have any queries or any doubts meanwhile while this demo session is going on, so keep hold on all those questions. You can put those questions in the Zoom chat. Okay, you can send me in the Zoom chat, or else you can wait end of the session so that you can directly interact with me, so I can answer your queries or your doubts or your questions, whatever you have. Okay, and right. and most of the people is going to ask few questions. I can understand, as you are joining into this course, most of the people think that in PHP what are the topics you are going to learn, and in Android what are the topics you are going to learn. So these questions may come into your mind, probably, for sure, uh, but all those questions will be answered at the end of the session. Okay, so just I want to just give an introduction. Don't think that I'm going to start this subject. I don't want to waste the time, like only few students are joined in this class, not everybody. So I just want to give the course curriculum which I'm going to teach you in this upcoming 3 months. Okay, right now, as you have whenever regular class is going to be started, so what are the course content you're going to get it. Okay, and in Android, what are the topics you're going to learn? In PHP, what are the topics you're going to learn, and what type of projects you are going to learn in this. Okay, and how you can come up with the real-time projects. Okay, so all these things I'm going to discuss in this, just around like 15 to 20 minutes I will take the session, and then we go for the questions and queries according to the agenda. Okay, all right. So first I want to tell you about, so first let me show you Android. So what type of applications you gonna develop after learning this course? Let me share the screen, guys, and please confirm. And could you please confirm, is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes,
Is
sir.
anyone facing the problem with audio? Right, I think no one facing the problem. And you can see some screenshots of the application where, okay, this is the screenshot of Android application. So where our previous interns or where our previous students has been developed, and where how you gonna develop in the future also. So this is a small example I want to show you. So this is a food delivery application, like we can see like Swiggy or Zomato right now in the real-time existent applications. So similar to that, so you will get this type of knowledge, and you can see how you can sell the products into the application, and how we can put the categorized products. Okay, as like a like demo, so showing that as a demo. And just a second. Yeah, so this is the from the beginning, where you will learn about like how and first animation screen you are gonna get in Android. Okay, like a professional, and then it will be asking you to enter the PIN or OTP, right? So these things can be developed only the professionals. Okay, that you will get in this 3 months. Okay, and you can like browse the category wise products, and also you can browse the products which you have selected before in the category, and you can go for selecting like choosing the quantity or adding into the cart. Okay, you just observe the design how we made. Okay, how the my previous interns or students has been developed. Okay, like adding into the cart, right? So this is how an example, I want to show you an example how our interns is going to develop the applications in upcoming 3 months. Okay, and I think, can you please mute everyone who does? Right. Okay, so we could be having a perfect platform called Android Studio. We develop all the Android applications in Android Studio. So you can see this Android Studio screen. So I will explain from basic level, like what is mean by each and every option here, and what are the tools available here. Okay, and how to write this Java program, or how to set up this software, entire this Android Studio, how to set up. Okay, how to set up the environment for this, how to write the code, how to create the design. Okay, and I mean how to prepare the design of this Android product. Okay, and Android application. For example, let us say here I want to design something called a login screen. Let us say this is my login screen. We use in different purpose, like the Android applications might be expense management system, or mobile quiz application, or that can be like shopping application, like which I have shown you, like food application just now which I am shown you, or Amazon or Flipkart, which is relevant to the e-commerce application. Or you can develop like vaccination, COVID vaccination application. Recently my interns has been, have taught to my students. Let me show you that. Right, so you can see this, right? So even you can go for any type of project you can be developed after completing this course. Okay, so why we are training from basic to the high level? Because you must as you are stepping into the career of your job, as a job career, so you would be having many competition in the world, right? In the real existence you will be having much competition. So if you want to face that competition, definitely you must know this type of knowledge in order to be first in the recruitment. Okay, so anyway, so that is all about Android, where the topics we are going to start. So the topics would be like the text view or button images. Okay, how to make the animation in Android, and intents. So what is mean by intent? What types of intents? What is mean by an activity? What is activity life cycle? Like notifications, types of notifications you get. Regularly we get the notifications in Android mobile, right? How do we get that notifications? So we think about the notifications also, and we get many alerts in Android. So we discuss about alerts, and we discuss about different type of buttons. We discuss about different type of edit text fields. Okay, to collect something like to fill the data, something called let me show you that. Right, uh, to fill the name or email or age or something else. So not only like vaccination app, any application, to collect, how to collect the data from the user side. Okay, to collect email or mobile or address, something you want to collect from the user. So how do you collect that? Okay, using this Android device. And how do you test it? So these all concepts will be learned in this upcoming classes. And this training includes the training plus app development, like a project, and also you will be getting the internship as well, and you will be getting the certificate for sure. So these are the things which could be there in this course, right? And let's move on to the PHP. Right, so if I discuss about the topic called PHP, so as you can hear the PHP, then you come to know that what is meant by PHP. PHP is like, it's a server side programming language. So most of the people think that PHP is nothing but personal homepage. No, it's absolutely wrong. Okay, PHP is pre-processing server side programming language. Okay, so PHP is designed to make some process in server side, not client side, means not our user side. It will run in the server. So this PHP course, we will start from basic level, like what is meant by PHP, what are the data types of PHP. Okay, completely you will learn about OOPS concepts of PHP, like Java, like Python, or like C. So PHP is also like a program. It's a programming language in server side. Okay, so you will learn the PHP also here. And after learning the PHP, or before learning the PHP, you could also learn about how to develop a web application, that is only called as HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. So I will teach the HTML as well, to know about how an web application or website is developed. Okay, to know more about how a web application or website is gonna develop. and the CSS is to design how you go with. And we also think about the and we also train about the JavaScript that works as a user side and as well as server side a script. Okay, and also the PHP and MySQL. So MySQL is used for data storing in the database side, to store the data to the database side. Okay, and so collaboratively all these languages like MySQL, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, okay, PHP. So collaboratively these things is considered as web development. So you will come to know a package as a web development package. So it is two topics will be covered. One is web development topic and as well as Android combinatedly as a single course, web development plus Android. Because see, mobile application development is not considered not only Android and iOS. Web application is also considered as mobile application development only, because as we can see, most of the websites are responsible to every devices, because it is as it is responsive to mobile devices, then definitely we could call it as mobile apps also, or else web apps. We could call it as web apps. So we see how to make the web apps, or we see how to make the Android apps. Okay, this is all about the complete course content, uh, where you will learn about web and as well as Android. Okay, and this course is not like only trainer teaching. So this course completely like even the student interaction must be there. The student need to be have his presence of, I mean the presence matlab, like meaning like you need to execute the code. So assignments will be given, so daily assignments will be given, you need to work on with the assignment. And the lab session programs will be there, you need to execute those lab session programs, so that if you complete all these curriculum substances, so definitely you will be getting to crack the job, as highest placement will suggest for a good placement, I mean substitutional things, right? And right, so now if you have any queries related to the course, or if you want to know more details about the subject, or if you want to know details about the technology which you are going to learn, okay, so this course is completely online, so keep in mind. And if you have any questions related to the stuff which I discussed till now, you can go on putting the questions, or else if you want to speak with me directly, yes, you can unmute yourself and speak with me directly. Any questions or any queries, guys? Any questions or any queries? Or anyone want to speak with me directly regarding to course, or regarding to the subject which you wanna gonna learn in this 3 months course? React.js. So React.js is not included in this. Sorry, React.js is not included. This is pure PHP and Android. Do anyone have any questions or any queries? And you believe, guys, this course could be like completely industrial level and completely practical, not like the not like the college or institute. Like it would be not like college or institute training, like completely explaining in the theory part. Not like this is not like a theory part or explanation. This is completely practical.
Guys, if you have any queries, please drop on chat box too. Rakesh sir, there is like a query from Pranav.
Yeah, Pranav. So we don't. I answered right. We don't go with React JS.
Okay. So are we done with the demo now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there is
Okay,
a one
sir.
more question, sir. How long time it will be to complete the Android course? So this is completely, this course is designed in such a way like 3 months of course, where you will come to know, like, first you will learn about Android, okay, and then after completing the sessions of Android directly, we will develop a project, and then we learn the PHP, that is called like web development, and you will complete the project there also. So it is completely designed in a such a way, like completely the three months will be completely utilized to complete that 2 courses. Okay, it's not like simultaneous, it's like a one after the other. Yes, Mr. Ganesh, after completing this course, you can develop your own project. That's for sure.
Any more queries? Ganesh, Pawan? Yeah, there is some. Okay. Shravanti, or there's someone with the name Apple? You have any queries, guys? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rakesh sir. It was a really great demo session for us.
Yes, Mr. Ganesh, we provide the certificate too.
Yes, Ganesh, you'll be getting the certificate from Highest Placements as that you completed an Android training. Yeah. So this is a demo session on PHP plus Android from Highest Placements and Highest Digital Academy. This training and placement is for 3 months and it is for 300 rupees. For 300 rupees, we give training part, certification, as well as job assistance too. So in this 3 months, we are training on IT domains like data science, Python, PHP, Android, AngularJS, Node.js, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Java, testing, both automation and Selenium, WordPress plus digital marketing, spoken English plus MS Office and MS Excel, interview skills and communication skills. So these sessions are for 2 hours every day for 3 months. And in those 2 hours, 1.5 hours goes for the technical and half an hour for communication and interview skills. These sessions are completely through online, and these are given by the trainers who have almost 10 plus years of experience. And we have both morning and evening batches. So morning batch will be around from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. any 2 hours, and evening batch will be from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So as I already told you, in this sessions we give training, job assistance, and intern certification too. HISE has been tagged with linked with top 150 plus MNC companies, like who will be giving around 3 to 8 lakhs per annum package. So guys, please share these details with all your friends and network so that they can also avail this opportunity and get them registered with HISE so that they can have the career built with the top MNC companies and have a good package along with the training. So PHP and Android batch will be starting from October 1st, and the timings are morning batch will be around 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and evening batch it is from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. We also have practicals for this, and which is starting from second month, and you'll be having daily 1 hour practicals for this particular batch. Yes, may I know?
Please share a registration link in the chat box. They're asking me.
Yeah, I'm just providing you the link as well as the details. You can just go through it. Any more doubts? Host, I request you to please stop the recording. Host, I request you to please stop the recording.
Yeah.